it's not just a number. Hey, three flutes is better than two flutes, or it's how the geometry is formed on the front of the drill, and I think MK is done a fantastic job of developing specific geometries for specific materials, um, which if you're just using it for general purpose, that's not as much of an advantage. But if you're, manufacturer of differentials, you're only using cast iron. You want to have the tool that's ideally designed specifically for your material. Even within the certain grade of material, you want that thing optimized as much as possible because you're going to be able to feed it faster. You're going to get a better hole, and therefore the cost of the tool is going to be less. And of course, more throughput, and more throughput, of course, always ends up being less expensive, as far as profitability goes, for the company.